That was 2012. Yeah, 2012.
First project was Alam Niyo Ba? The single of my debut album. And she was my leading lady. So that's where dating started, I guess.
So funny kasi we had to act really sweet that time. Nung workshop, I met him na before. So um, parang na-open up lang. Hi James, parang gano'n. Parang we both know na nagkasama na kami sa workshop. But then, we weren't introduced formally pa talaga. Nung music video na lang. Ako parang, wait lang. First time ko lang siya makakatrabaho and then we have to act sweet. So medyo kinabahan ako doon. But then it turned out fine naman.
I remember holding the camera like this. And she kissed my cheek.
Ako yung dumadaldal sa kanya that time, right? Ako yung nagdadaldal para lang maging comfortable ako sa kanya. Alam niyo ba, mahal pa rin kita.
Actually, after Alam Niyo Ba?
Wala.
We didn't really talk.
There's just...
Until Dahil ng Pangit.
Yeah.
Sige na. Ganda ka na. Bagay siya.
It was my first break ever. Hindi ako kalala ng mga tao. I mean, parang from out of nowhere. Parang kung mushroom na bigla na lang.
That's what I said. That's what I said. When they revealed the cast of Dahil ng Pangit.
No one knew who I was. Parang unknown ako.
Pangit na nga. Lampa pa.
Well, for me, the most memorable part of Dahil ng Pangit was the kissing scene. Because actually, hindi namin alam yung kissing scene pala. In the script, it says, line, and then hug. So then, when we were blocking the scene with Direk Andoy, he said, okay, line. Okay, now hug. Okay, part.
Line pa.
And then kiss.
And you were like, sabay ka na talaga. You looked at him and we were like, seryoso, that look? You were
And he
giving
said,
him that look.
yes.
Like,
Is there a problem?
may problema? Sabi niya, bakit? May problema? Sabi niya.
I said, no. It's fine. Okay, kiss.
We were just really shocked na nung premiere night, sobrang dami ng tao. The cinema was full. Ang dami pang gustong manood, hindi na nila napapapasok kasi sobrang puno na. As in, jam-packed yung sinehan.
The premiere night for me was the happiest moment of my life until then. That was like before then, that was the happiest moment of my life. The feeling is actually indescribable. I mean, the feeling of when you feel really proud of yourself. But I knew that I was in the right path. It's the path I really wanted to take, and I felt like I made it. I felt like I didn't have a worry in the world anymore.
First day ng BNP, nasa church ako. Nag-pray ako na sana maging successful and all that. Nung gabi na yun, parang sabi nga sa amin, ang daming bumili ng tickets, ang daming nanood, puno yung cinema, lahat ng slots nila puno. So parang yung proof na yung Instagram ko, my social media accounts, lahat yung madami yung followers, ang dami nagko-comments na ako hindi pa rin ako naniniwala. Parang feeling ko, hindi totoo to eh. Parang gano'n. Medyo skeptical pa rin ako na nangyayari talaga to. Kasi ang bilis ng lahat ng nangyayari. It was unbelievable talaga.
promote after that. We started shooting already.
We were still promoting.
So promoted
Kung
Dynamite.
sinabi sa amin na, okay, ito yung next project ng pasahin na.
It was hard.
It was hard.
Definitely more, this, the talk back to my dad was more challenging. It required more a lot.